Hey, this is Lax Beast 18 coming to you with his improved engine. I've included a blower, there is a supercharger inside there. When you spin it, I don't know if I can, this moves the opposite way of the other one, so it's like a true. Still has the same motor, crankshaft. I'm gonna try and make it easy to see. There you go. Cylinder's the same, piston's the same. Shifter's different. I have 3 gears, first, second, and third. The better fan on the end actually blows out air. I'm gonna start including it to the blower. I'm gonna have an intake. You can see there's all the gears. There's a chain going to the transmission. So it's 4-cylinder. Hold on. Let's see if I can do this. Sorry, guys. Alright, 2/3 here. So you look at the supercharger. I'll undo this. I don't know if you can see in there, but they're moving the opposite ways. The crankshaft is moving away. Boom, boom, boom. Piston's moving. Alright, now 30 gears. Hold on. That's first. That looks pretty blurry, but it's going like. Alright, we'll change it a second. And then third. Okay, you can feel the air. That's my improved engine. And then first. Wow, that looks pretty blurry on this. Oh, it's pretty fast. The engine doesn't use a drill because I wanted to make it out of Kne'x. No cheating. I think people who made it out of the drill, yeah, it's cool for the 5 seconds you do it, and then it's not cool. Yeah, it's a Lax Beast 18 engine, supercharger blower, no clutch transmission.